Okay, so I have been working my ass off. Like, I don't usually do this anymore, but I have been working my ass off. And I graduated in April, and I've been looking on Facebook groups for film jobs, and I've been working these film jobs, and I'm getting it. The LEGO Venator. Let's fucking go. Holy shit! I have been waiting for like a Star Destroyer Venator set to come out. And when this 20th anniversary of the Clone War and Revenge of the Sith like period started, I was like, are they gonna do it? Are they gonna do it? And the Venator class Star Destroyer came out, and I'm in this period of my life where I was going to film school up until last April, and then I graduated, just for context. So I was like, am I going to be able to, one, like, pay my bills, two, fund my goals for film, and three, sock away a little bit of money to be able to buy myself a little graduation thing in this Lego Venator. I wanted to unbox it. I haven't opened it up. It's been like a week or two. And yeah, I'm very excited because this is like kind of a childhood revisiting, and also something that's going to be like calming when I come home from a set, to be building just something to do, like a project, like a model kit. So I'm super stoked. But let's open it up. It's been a couple weeks since this came in the mail, or like the package came in the mail. Yeah, and I finally have the time in between sets, in between filming projects, to open it up. Um, I ordered this as a graduation gift to myself, um, and I'm so excited. Um, big Star Wars fan, but here we go. So it came with a extra set, and I think it's like Christmas themed. If you get a big enough set, you get like an extra set. So we're gonna see what it is. So first, we're gonna open up this one. Maybe I should get a knife. Okay, we're back with knife, scissors, all this. Okay, this is surreal. Okay. So what did they send? And like, it's not like, well, you gotta carve out time. You know, it's not like I have all the time in the world to do this. But let's see. Okay. Oh, sick. It's like Christmas theme. It's like a Northern Lights diorama. I'll bring that up so you can see. Northern Lights diorama. And it's 40785. Very cool. Actually, I'll put that there, because this is gonna be interesting. Here, here we go. This has been a journey. This is like my Star Wars fandom. I went to Star Wars Celebration Europe in 2023. I don't know why I'm delaying this. This is like the anticipation of just getting this. And when I went on that trip to Europe, I stayed with my family in Colchester, and we watched it's that Steven Spielberg movie, it's like the Fablemans. And watching that, I was like, I need to go back to the film school I toured in 2017 and pursue like what I want to do, and then seeing like Doug Chang and at the university panel in 2023, and there's a lot of other experiences that I had that were just like very transformative. And maybe I'll re-upload that video. I think I took it down just because, I don't know, sometimes you doubt yourself. Like I doubted myself in the video I made for Star Wars Celebration, but maybe I'll put it back up. But here we go. Or maybe it's still up there. I do not know. Oh. It's a UCS. It's an Ultimate Collector Series. Clone Wars 20-year anniversary. Like, it's got the same logo that's on my shirt, which is pretty cool. Okay. I'm gonna bring the phone over here, because you gotta see what I'm... Actually, you'll see what I'm seeing. Okay. Holy... This is pretty cool. Okay.
Is very, very cool.
So that is what I'm seeing. The Venator just coming at you. If you're a CIS droid battalion, like when I say CIS droid battalion, like the enemy to the clone troopers, you don't want to be seeing that. The Confederacy of Independent Systems, nope. You do not want to be seeing that. I'm going to take the box out now. Should be looking, oh my gosh. The opening sequence to Revenge of the Sith is just like one of the most fun sequences. And apparently in the novel, it's like much, much longer. It is real, dude. Okay. That is pretty cool. Like just imagine all the people. I appreciate you checking this out. For all you LEGO lovers and film lovers. And we'll see you next time.